Hi guys, it's Richard Labs. My name is Ro, and today we're going to talk about the interesting levels for the Bitcoin, from where we should get our position, from where we should short, from where we should buy. I'm going to share with you some of my thoughts about the market, about the whole crypto BTC situation, and what should we do, what's going to be next. This is only my opinion. I know you can listen it or not, you can do as well as me or not, but I think the levels for you where you can buy or where you can sell will be useful for everyone, like for sure, because this is Fibonacci levels. It's like working all the time, 100%. But before this video starts, I'd like to ask you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot now in the future. And if you subscribe, if you subscribe, just sure that you won't miss any cool, interesting upcoming projects. Let's go. First thing that I want to mention is that we have a downtrend since the November 21st year. If we draw a line from there, it will be like going down. It's like downgrade for us. So yeah, from the November 21, we have a downtrend on the BTC, and I think a lot of people are forgetting about it, because from here, everybody thought like, oh my God, we got a bull market, we're growing now, we're growing again, we have a crypto spring and something like that. But no, we still get to this line, and we haven't even went up to it, like above it even a bit. Yeah, if you look here even a bit, we couldn't break it, we couldn't break this resistance. This is just impossible for us, and then we just fell down really hard. And in my opinion, we are still in downtrend, we are still have a bear market. This is still too early to buy, and there is no need to buy until we will break this downtrend line. So guys, I did some lines especially for you, for my subscribers, that on a Bitcoin with my special strategy, with my FIBO strategy. So for now, we are on the support. We are on 2730k. This is a really strong level for BTC. There is no double line in here. This is just because I made it like this is the bottom. We don't know the bottom yet, but let's say for now this is our bottom, and this we have some support in here, and this is a historical support, but there is no any signals that this is a turnover and we are going higher again. So if we break this level on 27, right, break this level 27 and going down like 26, 24, 23, most likely we won't going up from the 20, we will fall to the 17. The 17k, this is a really strong support in here. This is the line. I know Kiyosaki always said about it, that I will buying Bitcoin for 17k and I will be rich and something like that. Like, I don't know where did he got this level, but this is my level as well. The Fibonacci tells me about it. So 17k is the first strong support. If we will have a new crashing, falling, huge correction, not 22, not 23, not even 20, it will be a 17k. This is the first like step, the first line when you can start to grow up your position, start to buy some altcoins, some NFTs. Possibly in here it will be a really like fear. Everybody will think crypto is a scam, just Bitcoin is finished, the bubble has crashed and something like that, but don't mind about it. If you see this line, you can start to buying. Maybe possibly we will see some like false downgrade under here on 16k. This is possibly as well. So everybody will think, oh my God, we broke another resistance. This is possibly as well. So 17, 16k is the best time to get yourself to buying a Bitcoin. And if you have a short in here, if you opened it somewhere here, no here, and you don't know where you should close it, you should close it on 17k. From another hand, if we will start growing from here, this is possibly as well when we will break this 35k to the up, then we will go to the 42k. This is the next level, and if we break this as well, we can go on 52. We can have a new ETH, a new high on the Bitcoin. This is possibly as well, but I don't know, the current market situation, the current world situation is not looks like it, only if we won't have any like news upcoming recently. So yeah, to get ourselves a new bull trend, a new growing trend, all we have to do is to break this line on the 35, and also we have to break this downgrade, downtrend line. This is very important. This is so strong resistance. If you're breaking it, I don't know what is the price level, because it can go like this, I don't know, like this. So I don't really know, but still, like, if we breaking it, we can say, yeah, we're starting a new uptrend, we have a bull market and stuff like that. So keep this line in mind and keep the 35k level in your mind as well. This is very, very important if you're trading, if you're buying Bitcoin, even if you're buying, trading, selling some altcoins as well. I haven't done so much research on the Solana, because Solana is more like have more volatility. I don't know how is it moving, and I have a lot of money in Solana, like in NFT, so I don't buy it on spot or in futures, and I don't interested in trading it because I already have a lot of money in it. But still on Solana, I must say that a really strong line we see here is on 40. Yes, we saw from here we have a little bit like the coming up from the 40. So 40 is kind of good support in here, and the first line of resistance, if you're buying long, is 17. Maybe it will be smart for you to close your positions somewhere here. For me personally, like, this is still kind of the bull trap, when we were seeing this going down, then it seems like we're going up, but we still are going down. And this is kind of the Fibonacci, the 3 points of the correction wave. Sorry, I meant not Fibonacci, of course, it's Elliott, but Elliott based it on the Fibonacci, so in my mind it's somewhere like Fibonacci, really doesn't matter. So this is how, like, always market are going. Here we saw 5 ways, and here I believe we will see a 3 ways, and this is really looks like it, that from 60 or 70 we will go down again, because everybody, you know, is chilling now. Everybody forgot that we have a bear market. Everybody now, oh my god, buying NFTs, a huge volume on Eden, what's that? Like, everybody just don't care, and the market loves to punish people like that who are chilling, who don't care, who are still buying. I think we will go deeper, just my opinion. I don't know, guys, this is just only my opinion. If we want to look a little bit to the short term, I think the huge resistance I saw already is on 60 on Solana, and we will going down from it to the support on 53, 54. You can try to trade something from these levels. Yeah, and if you're buying somewhere here, the good idea to close some of your position, some part of your position on 60 Solana. And if you're breaking 60 Solana, we are going to the 70. If you're breaking 70, we go 120, 200, got the crypto spring, bull market, everybody is happy. I hope, guys, this video was useful for you. Now you know some reasonable, some important levels, lines, trend lines when you can buy, why is it happening, what is going on now. I hope you recognize something, and I hope it will be really useful for you in your NFT trading, whitelist trading, I don't know, crypto trading, futures, stock possibly. So yeah, hope you like that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, send the link of this video to your friends, and see you guys later.